guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am reviewing the brand new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Mini Breaker Eyeshadow Palette. This is the first mini eyeshadow palette he's come out with, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is like $28, maybe $30. I don't remember. I just remember him releasing it as a secret and me snagging it. So this is what the palette looks like, and the packaging is like the cutest. And I love how sturdy it is. Like it feels luxurious, and I created this look. I'm actually super proud of myself for once. So again, these are the shades. I want to do swatches just because I did swatch this palette and I was scared to death because of how it's swatched. So I'm going to just go through the swatches right now for you guys, because a lot of people do like to see swatches. And then we will get into the tutorial. So the first shade in here is called Double Scoop. It's this one right here. And this is like a mustardy orange shade. Let me just put it right there. This one I love for the crease. And the next shade we have is called Orange Crush. This one right here. And this one's just, it has like slight shimmers in it. What it looks like. And the next shade in here is called Foreplay, which is like a pinky purple. It's definitely like a bright shade. Again, I feel like these don't really swatch that creamy, but like applying a lot of them to the eyes. I didn't use a whole lot of shades, but I'm impressed with the look. And the next shade, which is stunning, I have it on my inner corners, is Oral. This one is like a duochrome purple. I don't know how else to explain it. It's like holographic almost. I don't know if a eyeshadow can be holographic, but that's the vibe I'm getting. That's this one right here. And the next shade we have is Purple Punch, which is the purple I have on my outer and inner corner and under my lash line. This one was like scary to me because I wasn't sure how it would apply after swatching it, because look how much it lacks like pigment. Let me try because when I used the brush it was completely fine. Let me use the brush that I used to use my eyes with. I'm going to dip into that and kind of just, oh, that's even worse. I don't know how that's worse. Maybe just arm skin is different. I don't know. This one's my favorite. This is on the center of my lids. This is called Slice. The gold one, oh my god, this one is so beautiful. Like on the lids it is so intense. I did use a tacky primer, so that helps a lot. This next one is called Bubblegum. It is a bubblegum shade basically. Looks like that. And it's that one. I don't know how this one is on the eyes. I'm gonna have to do another palette tutorial. And the next one I used on my under lash line. It's called Bite Me. It's this one right here. That purple. And the last one, which I don't think I will ever use this shade because it's so strange. It's like a gray. I don't know how else to explain that. It's like a dark kind of gray, and it does not swatch well. It's that one right there. But yeah, those are all of the shades from that palette. Now, when I first swatched this, I was scared because I had the Thirsty palette, and I'm pretty positive I got a bad one because it did not perform well at all. This one is definitely different. This is the look I created using the palette, and let me show you guys a closer look. And I'm wearing Celebrity Skin on my lips. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, just continue watching and enjoy. Hello, okay. I've already done somewhat of this eye, so I'm just gonna take you guys through what I'm gonna do for this eye, which is the same thing as this eye. I don't know what I'm saying. We're gonna dive into the Mini Breaker palette from Jeffree Star. Again, I got this when he did that secret launch, so I'm creating a look using this palette. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 brush looks like this. It's like a fluffy crease brush, and I'm gonna take the shade Double Scoop, which is this kind of mustardy orange shade. And oh shoot, I need a prime. What am I thinking? I'm gonna use my Carity eyeshadow primer to prime my lid. And now I'm gonna take that shade and I'm gonna put this in my crease. My cat is screaming at me. Bad timing! I need to intense that freaking, I'll intense that shade later. I'm gonna take the shade Purple Punch, which is this one, and I'm gonna pack that on my outer corners and also the inner corner as well. I'm not tapping off any excess because I want as much pigment as possible. This eye always gives me trouble and I don't know why. I'm gonna tense this side. I'm gonna take that shade Double Scoop again and kind of just intensify that. And then I'm gonna take the shade Slice, which is this beautiful gold shade. Like, it is hella intense. Look at that. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna kind of blend everything out. Why do I feel like this side is more intense than this side? That is what the eyes are looking like. I'm going to, what else do I want to do? I don't know what I want to do. Yeah, I'll figure it out later. I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I have the rest of my face done, I'm going to finish up my under lash line. Now I'm gonna take the shade that I used in my crease called Double Scoop, and I'm gonna put that under my lash line. Then I'm gonna take the Purple Punch shade and put that under as well. Okay, then I'm gonna take a thin brush like this, and I'm gonna take the shade Bite Me, which is a shimmer purple, and I'm gonna put that over it on the outer corner, kind of like that. Maybe I'll try to put it right here too. Again, blending that out with that orange shade. I kind of want to grab the shade Oral, which is this like kind of duochrome purple shade. And I'm gonna pop this kind of like right here, see what it does. Ooh, that's interesting. Eyes are burning. I'm just gonna go back in and kind of just intensify every shade that I have going on. Now I think I'm gonna take the shade Celebrity Skin and pop that on my lips. Alright, then I'm gonna curl my lashes and just put on some mascara. I hate that this mascara clumps up. Why? By the way, I'm using the Tristique one that we got in our Boxy looks. I don't know what's happening. Didn't do this to me before. I'm looking all spidery. Not the look I was going for. So that's what the eyes are looking like so far. Well, basically done with it. I'm like, is it intense enough? I have to like, I feel like I need to keep putting gold on top. All right, and this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I honestly love the way the look turned out. Definitely out of my comfort zone, but I'm definitely here for it. So I was actually scared because of how it swatched, but applying it to the eyes, delicious. And yeah, I can't wait to get my hands on the bigger palette. I am for sure getting that. Also, I bought the hamburger palette thanks to Nikki Tutorials for giving that beautiful tutorial that she did. I snagged that. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on that too. And yeah, I'm definitely digging this palette. I was kind of scared for the color scheme that was going on here because it seems a little strange, but I definitely love the purple and this gold in the center. It's delicious. I don't know how else to explain it. It's just beautiful. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!